This is Elisa Davis from the Fishing Education Team, and I'm going to show you how to register for fishing workshops through Go Outdoors North Carolina. From the North Carolina Wildlife Resources Commission's homepage, scroll down and select Take a Class. Under Fishing, you can select either option, but from the Peckman Fishing Education Center's page, you will need to select View the Go Outdoors North Carolina calendar. This calendar will include hunter, boating, and fishing education workshops. And the easiest method to find fishing workshops is to click on Search Events at the left corner. Type Peckman for the Peckman Fishing Education Center in Fayetteville, North Carolina. Marion for Western North Carolina workshops. Or virtual for any of our virtual programs. You can also search by event type, dates, and distance from zip code. Click on the event title to view more information. Click Login to register and enter your information to register for the program. From here, enter all your information. You can also select other methods to register if you do not have your WRC number with you. You can also register for workshops through the Go Outdoors North Carolina app on your smartphone. Tap on the three bars at the top left corner and tap on Take a Class. You can search and register for fishing workshops using the same methods. Be sure to register yourself for those programs, and we look forward to seeing you at any of our workshops in the future.